Tim from My Repair here, and you cannot yet see me, but you will in a second. This is how to screen record on your Mac. You're going to need two applications. The first one is called Screeny, and you're going to be using this for your webcam. So let's just open this up. It's in the menu bar. Let's go show controls, and then you click this little icon. And there I am. And you can adjust it, and let's do it. Okay, I think that looks nice. The next step you're gonna want is Record It Pro. And this one does cost $20, but it does record very high quality video. So once you download it, you click open, and then here you can look through this, but yeah, it's a quality application. Right here on the screen, you click on screen, and then it gives you controls. You select the quality, the audio source, you click record, and it works exceptionally. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Peace.